name's Carlos Calton. I'm the Corporate Director of Sales here at BigBattery. We've partnered up with PowerBoss to provide you with a lithium solution that replaces lead acid today. We're going to show you how to install your 24-volt Eagles into your Phoenix 20. You only need 3 components to do that. You'll need 2 24-volt batteries, your 175 parallel cable, and your 12-volt charger. Combined, you'll have 120 amp hours or 3.1 kilowatt hours, increasing your runtime by 75%. Let's show you how easy it is to install these batteries. First, you're going to want to remove the battery tray to install the battery system. Let's make sure that the battery power is on by turning the switch. And you're going to notice that I've removed the rope handles. It makes for a great fit. Let's install these batteries now. Now that you've got your Eagle batteries in place, we're going to want to connect the SP connectors. Make sure that we connect to the batteries before we install onto the unit. To ensure for a proper connection, the battery connector has to be flat side up. We're going to want to make sure that the connector goes all the way in and that it's flush. With the cables in place, you can now connect to the Phoenix. And it's that easy.